Hey Facebook family and friends, I'm so excited to show you guys our new listings today. As we go into the house, of course, we come in, going into the living room here. It's a very open floor plan. You walk into the living room, we're going into the kitchens. Open, spacious floor plan kitchen, breakfast dining area, of course, as well as the family room with the recessed ceiling up above. Amazing place to enjoy with your family. We're going into the master bedroom, a large room, recessed ceiling. And then from the master, of course, we're going into the master bath with a shower. We go from, again, we have another bedroom here with spacious floor plan. A second, third bedroom here. Of course, another bathroom. Home has a spacious backyard for you to enjoy with your family, an amazing patio. Hopefully you enjoyed our tour. If you're interested in checking out this property, definitely give us a call. Bye.